My sheep listen to my voice. I know them and they follow me. If we want to grow in being able to hear from God, well, first we have to recognize that we are a spirit. We're not just flesh and bones. And the Lord oftentimes doesn't just speak in sort of fleshly, natural ways, but they're knowings in your spirit. So you have to become aware that you are a spirit first, and then commune with God, grow with Him in those ways, your spirit and His spirit all rattling around in this flesh, in this body, in this casing.